Rockets enter Thursday night trying to bounce back from a rough loss. Philly in overtime Wednesday. Meanwhile, the Knicks won in Atlanta, and look who's back. Jeremy Lin, highest two-game scoring total of his career, 65 points over the last two. James Harden, though, forcing Lin back to the bench as Harden returns after missing Wednesday with a foot injury, and he comes back in style with 11 first-quarter points. And Chandler Parsons, don't forget about him, 13 of his 22 came in the first half. Dwight Howard struggled. Just 1 of 1, 2 points, 4 rebounds, 2 fouls in the first half. Then Carmelo Anthony. He gets the feed. How do you leave last year's leading scorer without wide open? Before they went into the locker room, Melo had 26. The Knicks go on a 17-4 run to cut it to 1 at the break. Third quarter, more from Melo. Knicks now up by 156-55. J.R. Smith rejected by Dwight Howard. Dwight with Smith all over him. Then Smith goes back and Dwight throws it right to him. Iman Shumpert getting his only points of the game. Dwight Howard had 5 turnovers in the contest. And on the other end, Andrea Bargnani did more than his part. Not known as a great defensive center, Bargnani and Dwight get tangled up. A push there. Carmelo Anthony stepping up, and double technicals handed out on Melo and Dwight. And then here's Bargnani again. The rejection on Dwight Howard. Out of the fourth quarter, Houston in the lead, and it extends to 83-75. Jeremy Lin getting above the rim. Lin hits the jumper. He had 21 points, so give him 86 over his last 3 games. Harden with the turnover, 1 of 18 committed by Houston. New York scored 25 points off of those miscues. Tim Hardaway Jr. the bucket, but the bigger story here is James Harden. Is he okay? Into traffic, he falls and catches an elbow. He'd be examined. Harden down in pain, but he would come back into the contest. Raymond Felton, Andrea Bargnani, he had 10 in the fourth quarter in Wednesday's win. Held just 3 in the final period on Thursday, but finished the game with 24. James Harden, the jab step, and then the deep 3. Harden makes it 102-93. He looks okay. Harden again, the 3 ball, no good, but he's fouled. Harden 12 points in the fourth quarter. He'd make 2 of 3 at the line. Finished the game with 36 points and 9 rebounds. Now under 2 minutes to go. The Knicks playing Hackett to White. Carmelo Anthony commits the foul on Dwight Howard. The only problem is if there's a foul away from the ball, under 2 minutes to go, the coach can select anybody at the free throw line. They don't go with Howard. They go with Harden. Harden was 16 of 18 at the stripe. Here Harden commits the foul on Carmelo Anthony. The shot looked like it was good, but it was called a foul on the floor. So Melo goes to the line and makes 2 free throws to get New York within 1 point. Take another look. The whistle and the foul committed before Melo puts up the shot. So that doesn't count, but he would hit 2 free throws. The second he would want to miss, but he would make it to make it a 1-point game. Now a 3-point game, final 3 seconds at the buzzer. The shot from J.R. Smith way off target, and Houston holds on for a 3-point win despite Dwight Howard going 1 of 5 from the field. Dwight did go 5 of 8 from the free throw line, 7 points, 15 rebounds, 4 block shots, as the Knicks have suffered the 4th consecutive home loss.